Hi! Welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. Here I am again showing you another part of Auckland City. This is Auckland War Memorial Museum. I have a previous videos about this. Please check it out. And on the other side of the road is the Auckland Domain Winter Gardens. It was designed in the early 1900s as a style of a two-barrel bolted Victorian-style glass houses. Look at the surroundings. Come, let's go inside. There are two departments in these winter gardens. One is for the tropical heat-loving plants and the other is for the temperate plants changing with the seasons. Let's appreciate these plants and flowers. Just like any other gardens and parks all over New Zealand, admission is free. Amazingly beautiful, isn't it? Rare and spectacular plants in an ever-changing display can be seen here. Let's move on to the other house. You can see an extensive courtyard and a sunken pool. The marble statues in the courtyard between the glass houses were added in the 1920s and 30s by the local businessman William Elliot. This pergola shows many plant climbers, as you can see. Can you also hear the breeze? Beautiful water lilies. Some ferns and hanging plants. Let's appreciate this by taking some photos. Let's move on to Auckland War Memorial Museum, or better known as Auckland Museum. General admission entrance is free for Auckland residents and members, or by donation for those from the rest of New Zealand. For international tourists, when you come here in New Zealand, it's best to go to iSight. This is a tourist information where you can get all the bookings and all the tickets to all you want to see here all over New Zealand. There is always an eyesight in every town or cities all over New Zealand. Gala lang po tayo saglit sa loob. Auckland War Memorial Museum shows some objects, great and small, to treasure, and as a memorial to those who served in armed conflict. This tells us of a few tales of heroism from those who served and those who supported them. If you want to see more of Auckland Museum, please check my previous videos. I will link at the description box below. So now this ends here, and thank you for watching in full. Salamat po sa lahat mga nakaabot sa dulo. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you very much.